In the last episode we arrived in Oban Marina from Copac. This time we get kicked out.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
We had to leave Oban Marina. They were fully booked. It was manic. I wouldn't normally have gone on a day like this. The weather was going to be awful. Yeah. Winds were not predicted to be too bad, but the rain, yeah, that was going to be bad. So anyway, no choice. It was only a short run to Loch Aline.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky.
after a bouncy run across the Firth of Lorne and into the Sound of Mull. Not only bouncy, very, very wet, bad-tempered. I lost my hat, my gloves were soaked, I was soaked, Janet was soaked. We arrived in Loch Aline, still raining, and the wind got up, and of course it blew me away from the pontoon I wanted to be on to the port side, which really would have been better anyway. But you make poor choices at times when you don't really want to be sailing. We'd have preferred to have stayed in Oban Marina and come the next day, but we